Welcome to Unit 206 here at 91 Chapel Street in downtown Nanaimo. Coming to market with this beautiful one bedroom, one bathroom unit. It has vinyl plank floors, quartz countertops, and stainless appliance package. What I want to really highlight about this unit is its downtown city center location. This is one of the only chances you're going to have to get into a 2-year-old building in Nanaimo's growing city center. If you're looking for a lifestyle where you can walk to coffee shops, walk to the restaurants, Unit 206 at 91 Chapel Street ticks all the boxes. Come check out this unit. If you want a full information package, reach out to our client care team at coopergroup.ca. I'm John Cooper with the John Cooper Real Estate Group, eXp Realty, and we are ready when you are.